Hey y'all, my name is Julie. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm trying to get all tangled up out of my underwear. Okay, whoops. So, dadgummit. Okay, I'm having all kind of technical difficulties here, but that's okay. I have got to clean up I shouldn't say clean it out. I need to straighten up my pantry. Yeah, that's what I gotta do. I got crap everywhere. I got it on the floor. I got stuff that I bought, did a grocery haul a couple of days ago, and it's still on the floor. So we are going to get this going so we can get stuff in here. I'll be right back.
Okay, so this is what I have to work with. You see the mess? Yep, we're cleaning it up.
Every time you flash your name, always leaving, then you got me chasing you like I'm the one to blame. Oh, I think you're so rude, don't wanna fight you, but you don't ever take a break, 'cause you love drama, forget the karma, no you don't ever chasing you like I'm the one to blame. Oh, I think you're so rude. Don't wanna fight you, but you don't ever take a break. 'Cause you love drama, forget the karma. No, you don't ever take a break. It's always about you, you. Always about you, you. Oh, I don't wanna fight you, and now you're so rude. 'Cause you love drama. 'Cause you love drama. You love drama.
Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boys, same tricks. Coming close to me now, trying to be smooth, so here we go again. Here we go again. You're trying to buy me drinks, and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya?
You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me.
Looking like a movie star, you try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too
Trying to impress me, but I don't care about your Rolex or your credit card.
Rolex on your credit card. Still you won't quit. Trying to be cool, so here we go again. Here we go again, again, again.
You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me.
Looking like a movie star. You try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. Trying to buy me drinks, and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? Looking like a movie star, you try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot.
I've been out on the streets where the lights are red. I've been hiding the world safely in my head. where nobody's ever been. We're all waiting around for the storm to come, hoping someone will care, saving everyone. But it starts with me and you. Our song will never fade away. We'll always be fighters. I'll hold your hand till Judgment Day. We'll stand in the light as the ones who never ever quit, who risked every part of it. We'll live forever, you and me. Believe, believe. I've been walking around, I've been listening to the sound of my heart and remembering how it echoed in my chest. Never give up your song before it makes it through. Never lay down and die with your music in you. Open up and let it out. Yeah, scream it high. Our song will never fade away. We'll always be fighters. I'll hold your hand till Judgment Day. We'll stand in the light as the ones who never ever quit, who risked every part of it. We'll live forever, you and me. Believe, so when you're walking around, you'll be listening to the beat of your heart and remembering you were never ever lost. You were never, you were never, you were never ever lost. Our song will never fade away. We'll always be fighters. I'll hold your hand till Judgment Day. We'll stand in the light as the ones who never ever quit, who risked every part of it. We'll live forever,
Okay, my friends, that wraps it up about this time. I got all my grocery hauls put up. I got stuff cleared out that is going to go up to the church for their food pantry. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Bye.